Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is respect.
So we could all use with a little bit more respect.
Yeah.
Couldn't we?
Yeah, I'd say that's a true statement.
Yeah. So, respect can come in so many different ways. Respect can be silence. Respect could be, kindly debating things with people in a positive and uplifting manner. Respect can be calling out to somebody who's doing something that's going to potentially injure themselves or someone else. That can be all types of respect there. There's a lot of different ways of, putting forth respect. When it comes to your clients, you need to respect their time. You need to respect their money that they paid you. But they also need to respect your time. And they need to respect the time that you're never getting back, the time that they're buying from you.
Yeah. And I'd say part of that is clearly outlining or defining to your customer what the expectations are. So if you are doing a custom job and they are asking for drawings or things of that nature, to say, I'm willing to do this much, and then, after that there would be a design fee, or just putting it in a polite manner, but letting them know where the lines are.
Yeah, and there's so much you can do. There's a really deep topic here on respect. Basically, it can go right on down to your roots. Do you respect your parents? Yeah, I know you may be a grown dude, but do you still respect your mom? The one that gave birth to you. Yeah, and again, those can be people that maybe did you wrong, right, in life. But you can still have respect for them, that the fact that they did the best that they knew how to do, whether they did it right or wrong, but it still shaped you to who you are now. And so that can just go everywhere. When you earn somebody's respect, it's because you've given respect, usually first. We like to be respectful of your time when it comes to business and things like that. So that's why we do these 3 minutes at threes like this, 3 minutes-ish at threes. You guys respect our time as well by not asking us a bunch of bogus questions in the comment section that we've answered like 4 million times. You guys really come up with some real humdingers out there, and we really appreciate that. It always keeps us on our toes.
Yeah, we do.
And we do have a very respectful community, which is a great thing to cultivate. But that comes from outlining, like you said, your boundary lines. That way people know how they can respect you and how you intend to respect them back.
Yeah.
So that's going to be it for this 3 minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.